morning. Good morning. Morning. We've just come out today on a whim, really. We've just got in the car, driven to Wales, and we are not sure whereabout we're going to stop. We're just in the services now, but we're just going to drive along the coast, maybe stop at Llandudno or Ross-on-Sea, just some little Welsh towns, have a little look around the villages, and yeah, see what we see. I mean, it's raining, so we're not going to do much, but yeah, nice little day out to Wales. Oh my goodness!
Whoa, that's cool!
Get wet from the waterfall!
Yeah.
Woo! Got my glasses for the waterfall. We're gonna climb up, but we're gonna go.
Oh, it's a video.
Go, Daddy, go, go, go! Yay! It's beautiful here. We were just driving past and we stopped, and it's a lovely little waterfall. You see the stream, and now we're in like little woodlands. There's lots of people walking dogs. Lovely. Very nice. Should we go inside the cave? Watch our head. Is it too... maybe not with the baby on your back. Shall I go in first and see? So peaceful. I can't believe how powerful it is. Like, we're getting wet. Like, from the roadside, it didn't look that strong, did it? For some food, Evelyn's chosen skips. Come to the supermarket to grab a picnic to take to the seaside. Evelyn's asleep, so we stopped for coffee and cake.
Oh yeah. It's good.
Thank you,
Lovely.
Evelyn.
Should you throw it over there?
Such a good find.
Steady, steady. Go.
Whee!
See ya.
I'm on an adventure, Daddy.
She is. Hey, rascal.
What did you find? Wow! That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Can you find something for Daddy?
Can you find something for Daddy?
Whoa.
Wow, the sun's so nice. How hot's that sun? What have you got?
Hey, Evelyn.
Oh, you're at the beach. Whoops. There she goes. Oh.
We'll take a little walk.
I love you. Where's Dada?
What are you, monster? What is it?
come to Llandudno now, and we've come to the Great Orme, so we're just going to drive around. Aaron and Evelyn are in the car. It's amazing, so beautiful. It's like what you would picture a Welsh postcard to be. It's stunning. It's amazing, isn't it? Stunning. What a stunning place. Incredible. The videos are probably not even doing it justice, but it's just amazing. The mountains in the distance with the clouds and the sea. Unreal. Daddy getting us an ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got sugar.
What are you doing? Hey, stinker. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. She fell. Where's she gone? There she is. What are you doing, Ev? Okay. Don't drop. Oh my god, I don't think. Whoa!
Oh! Are you okay? Yay! Yeah. Did you fall in the hole?
I love the way she just went like that.
You're clumsy like your daddy. Go on. Oh, so strong. Whee!
Look at this young bum shuffling.
You're so funny. Oh, you want more? Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. You helping me?
What's happened, Dev?
Pat, pat, pat.
Got a beautiful view of the mountains, but Evelyn is instead getting buried here.
Pat, pat, pat. Shall we break free? 1, 2, 3. Where's her legs? Where's her legs?
Get you out, quick, quick, quick.
Yeah.
Climb out, Ev.
Can you do
That's
it?
it. Yay!
Wow. Do you want to do it again? Here we go. Is that fun? Oh.
Aw, look at you, big